Hi guys, I'm Carlos Colón. I'm one of the dive professionals here at Adventure Outfitters. I've been diving with Adventure Outfitters since 2018, and my role here at the dive shop is I am one of their assistant instructors along with the dive master. So you've probably seen me help you guys with your classes in the pool or your checkout dives, or you've seen me go out on excursions with the shop, and I've led those excursions, and I really enjoyed my time here at Adventure Outfitters. So here at Adventure Outfitters, this is my particular dive kit. Everybody's dive kit is unique and individualized. Mine, I personally love my kit, and all of this is on sale here at Adventure Outfitters. For BCD, I personally picked the Eagle Ranger. One, it's incredibly durable. It will take scrapes and abrasions, and it will last you forever, and I love that. As for regulators, I actually chose their Atomic ST1. It uses high quality parts, very easy to breathe. I've dove as deep as 120 feet as far as recreational diving is allowed, and this will breathe as if I'm still diving at 20 feet, and you don't even notice the difference. It's so effortless, I love it. As for an Octo, an alternate air source, I have a very unique setup to where I don't actually have a traditional setup in that fact. I use their SS1, also made by Atomic. What's really cool about the SS1, it serves a dual purpose. It actually inflates and deflates my BCD, but at the same time, it's another regulator. So in an out-of-air emergency, if I needed to give you air, I would give you my primary, you would use that. I would be using my SS1, we would ascend to the surface nice and slow, and we would have a reassess at the surface. All right, so as for dive computers, I like to use this little guy. This little guy is made by Sunto, and it's called the Eon Core. As you can see, for a very small computer, it has a really large display. One thing that really caught my eye about it was the fact that it actually has a really bright, colorful screen. So no matter what kind of condition of diving I'm diving in, whether it be at Hudson Grotto or if I'm at Buford Spring, I'm always gonna be able to see all the key metrics that I need to see, such as dive time, my ascent rate, my depth, and what's really cool about this whole setup is the fact that this is a very customizable piece of equipment. So by push of a button, I can see my compass, I can see my timer, I can see time, air pressure, which is really cool because that's where this little guy comes in, where this is a transmitter, and the transmitter allows me to actually see my actual pressure gauge and allows me not to necessarily have a pressure gauge on me. However, in scuba diving, we know we like to be redundant, so I also have always a backup analog pressure gauge. As for my fins, I personally like my Atomic split fins. Very easy to use, very easy to kick, really durable fin. Well, my key thing that I like to put on all my fins, spring straps. The spring strap allows me to take my fin on and off with ease, whether I'm climbing onto a boat or I'm about to go in on one of the spring dives and I have to put it on, let's say at the platform at Devil's Den. Really easy to use compared to a standard strap where you would have to take off the buckle, put it back on, and readjust that way. It's a one-size-fits-all. Once you put it on, it latches onto your ankle and it doesn't move anywhere. I personally love my gear. You can find all this gear here at Adventure Outfitters. Of course, they are always out for sale, and if necessary, Jenny, Anna, and Alex can always go ahead and order any parts that you need. This is my particular gear setup. I'm a gear nut. I also help here at the shop part-time by fixing up appliances, and I also do the regulator repair kits. It is a real good time, and it's really cool to kind of break all this apart and see what actually makes these individual pieces tick. So once again, guys, my name is Carlos Colón. Thank you so much for listening to my story today. I am one of the dive professionals here at Adventure Outfitters. I'm an assistant instructor. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, please drop a comment in the comment box below. Let myself, Jenny, and Alex know, and we will be more than happy to get back to you. In the meantime, let's go diving.